Hi, I'm Rod with CenterPoint Energy. Hurricane season runs from June 1st through November 30th, and just as CenterPoint Energy has a response plan in place, we encourage you to have one as well. Our community knows firsthand how hurricanes can leave us without electricity, running water, and possibly food and shelter. This is why it's important for you and your family to stay prepared by creating a hurricane preparedness kit. Depending on the severity of the storm, your kit should last at least 3 or more days. Some basic items to include are 1 gallon of water per person per day, non-perishable food items such as canned goods, snacks and nuts, and don't forget to include a handheld can opener, as well as battery-powered items such as flashlights and radios. Be sure to have extra batteries and portable power banks that can recharge mobile devices. Paper plates, utensils, garbage bags, and paper towels should be stored in waterproof containers such as resealable plastic bags to prevent them from getting wet. Also include hand sanitizer and a first aid kit with aspirin, antacids, and Band-Aids. If you or a family member require special medication or medical supplies, be sure to add those in necessities as well. If there are small children in your family, pack diapers and infant formula and games or coloring books for entertainment. If you have pets, add the pet food to the kit and have travel carriers and pet ID tags in case of an evacuation. Don't forget to include cash, contact information for family and friends, as well as copies of your driver's license and state IDs. Place all the items in a waterproof container, such as a cooler like this one, and be sure to inventory your kit annually to ensure nothing is missing or expired. Lastly, stay in the know of power outages with our electric outage features, Power Alert Service and Outage Tracker. Power Alert Service notifies you by text, email, or phone of outages in your community, and our new and improved Outage Tracker shows you where those outages are located. Visit centerpointenergy.com/stormcenter for additional tips to prepare for this upcoming hurricane season. As always, we're committed to providing you and your family with reliable energy for what matters most. Thanks for watching, and remember, stay safe and stay ready.